In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom columns in Power BI. Let's get started right from your desktop. Open Power BI desktop, then open one of your existing reports. We'll be creating the column in the query layer, which is the best place to build reliable, reusable transformations before your data lands on the report canvas. On the Home tab, click Transform Data. This opens the Power Query editor where you can shape and clean your data. Think of this as the backstage area for your data set. Any custom columns you create here will be consistently applied each time your data refreshes. At the top of the Power Query window, go to the Add Column tab. This tab holds all the tools for building new columns based on your existing data. Click Custom Column. A dialog box appears where you'll define exactly what you want to calculate. Start by giving your new column a clear descriptive name. For example, if you're calculating revenue for each row, type total revenue. Naming matters because it makes your model easier to understand later on. Next, build the formula. On the right, you'll see a list of your available columns. To create a revenue calculation, click the unit price column in that list, then click Insert to add it to the formula box. Now add the multiplication operator, the asterisk symbol, then click Quantity Sold in the column list and click Insert again. Your final formula should look like unit price, quantity sold. This tells Power Query to multiply the unit price by the quantity sold for each row in your table. Before you confirm, glance at the preview area below the formula box. If Power Query detects a problem, you'll see an error message you can use to fix typos or mismatched references. It's also a good idea to make sure the columns you're using are numeric so the calculation works as expected. When everything looks good, click OK. Power Query will create your new column and display it alongside your existing data. You should now see total revenue populated for each row. If the results don't look right, review the formula and the column names. Small spelling differences matter, and so does the placement of operators. That's it. You've just created a custom column in Power BI using Power Query, named it clearly, and built a reliable calculation by inserting columns and operators directly from the interface. This approach helps keep your transformations organized and ensures they're applied consistently whenever your data updates. Thanks for watching.